Hey guys, today we're going to be making two types of Korean savory pancakes today. One is called 해물부추전 with a bunch of chives and seafood, and the other one is with kimchi and seafood. If you guys can't find any pre-made mix, then just use some all-purpose flour with some salt. Put around 10 to 12 tablespoons of water, or until it becomes a little thicker than pancake mix consistency. Roughly cut up about 1 cup of fermented kimchi into small pieces. I'm using a frozen seafood package from the Korean market, but you guys can use any seafood you want, or even none at all. Now for the 해물부추전, I'm just putting all the chives I cut earlier and mixing it in the flour mixture. Put some oil on the pan and make sure to thinly spread the mixture to avoid a thick pancake. After you flip, immediately start to flatten the pancake to make them as thin as possible. Repeat the process again until you use up all of the mixture. guys so much for watching, and be sure to try out this recipe. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, like this video, and turn on your notification bell.